Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Window grills, when installed, can act as an effective physical barrier to intruders. In spite of availability of ruler shutters, alarms, and even innovative CCTVs, grills are still very much in demand, owing to the fact that they are maintenance free. In fact, today most homeowners include all these safety features in their home for better security. Grills are often installed on the windows to reduce the risk of individuals, especially kids, falling off from the windows. The grills allow air to circulate within the room and do not interrupt the natural light from coming in. Unlike the alarms and CCTVs, the grills are simple solid metal structures that offer protection to the interiors of a home by virtue of its material strength and not any added technology. Moreover, window grills require little or no maintenance and can last for decades. Once we understand the benefits of window grills, then next most important thing that we should focus on is to how to choose the right window grill design for the house. When choosing a window grill, you should consider the design of windows as well as the overall design of the house and of the property as well. Also make sure that the color that you wish to paint the grill perfectly complements the window color so that it does not look out of place. Therefore, by keeping the above mentioned point in mind, one can always get the best window grill for their home.